Hi guys, I've got something to tell you guys. I've got, this is just a random video by the way. I have got 10% of battery left on my iPad, so I might not be able to do a video for ages yet. Because it takes quite long to load. But Bobo's is having a calm, nice time. I'll show you. This video is live, by the way. Ooh, he's live. It's live. Ah. You think Bobo's butt. See, Bobo's to those nice people that are watching you every time. You see them. You might become famous, which is me and your stream. So, say it to the camera, Bobos. Say it to the camera! Ooh. That's good to me. For me. Go and say. Go and say bye-bye to these nice people. No. I'm just angry with my lips now. Go and do it. Ah. Sorry guys, this is a technical budgie difficulty. He'll say bye now. Okay? Last time. Sorry, he jumped on top of my tab. Ah! No, he's on top of me. Okay, he says bye. That was me, but who cares? And I say bye. Oh, it's so cute! He's picked up one of his own feathers. Okay, bye.